Yeah. So you heard what he said, Khabib. Mike
Yeah,
doesn't hold grudges. It's too much
it's too
pain for
much.
him to hold grudges. Are you at that grudge stage with McGregor? And it's okay, man. We're all human, dude. It's okay to feel a little animosity towards somebody, but you think you'll ever let it go?
Uh, I think like one of the biggest reason why I become champion. I think this is about my mental part, how I can control my emotional. I think I can control anything. Anything happen with me in the world, I can control this. I can handle this. And I know like a lot of people. Like I remember when I was supposed to fight with him, like coach tell me, hey, you have to focus. It's like, and I was like, coach, hey, I'm focused. He say, oh, you call home, you call friends. Like, I said, no, I'm good. This is normal for me. After like 30 minutes, your biggest fight in your life, biggest fight in UFC history become. You call your friends on phone. Like I said, coach, please don't worry. Everything is good. I'm good. I'm relaxed. And when time come, I'm gonna show you.